Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your WordPress version and PHP on your website. So if you think you can't install any plugins because your WordPress is out of date and you need to update your version, so I'm going to show you how you can do this. So just go on to tools and then go on to site health. You can just check first if your WordPress and PHP are up to date. So go on to info and then click on this to check your WordPress version. So mine is up to date, and if that needs updating, it will say here. And then we go on to server, and you can see from here PHP version is 8.1. if yours is below that, you need to update your PHP version. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So it's two way. You can do this through cPanel. I'm going to show you an alternative way. So if your hosting is GoDaddy, just log into GoDaddy and then put the password in, and then go into your products, my products. This is the easiest way you can update the PHP and the WordPress website. So just go into website and then go into hosting settings. And from here you can see WordPress version is 7.0.4. so if you want to change it, just click on change, and mine is up to date. So if yours somewhere here, so you can do the current version and click on change, and it will be changed, the WordPress version. And for if you want to change the PHP as well, so just click on change and you can update it to, so mine is PHP 8.1, so mine requires 8.2, so I'm going to change it and click on save changes, and it has changed. So this is the easiest way to update your WordPress version and the PHP version. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.